So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on accessibility. And now you're going to find keyboard. We're going to scroll down till we find keyboard. You're going to click on that. We're now going to be having sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Make sure that you have all of this turned off. See if that works for you. For the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space keyboard diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up, the keyboard troubleshooter. Click on next. Wait for this to load. Now once that's been done, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Hopefully one of these methods would have now fixed your problem.